Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the project and loading the sequence that shows the double screen. Make sure the timeline is active and the viewers are visible so you can see both outputs. Once done, select the clip that contains the double image and open the inspector panel. This gives you access to transform and cropping controls. You need to check whether the duplication is a clip-level effect, a compound clip, or a timeline overlay before proceeding, so inspect layers and clip attributes now. Next, you diagnose the source. Look at track stack and clip attributes to find duplicates. Sometimes a second track or a compound clip causes the split. If it's an extra track, disable its visibility or delete it. If the duplication is from scaling or transform, use the inspector to reset zoom and position or apply crop to hide the second image. For compound clips, open them and remove nested duplicates. Make sure to play the timeline to confirm the double screen disappears. To finish, clear render cache and play the section at full quality to verify the removal. Sometimes caches preserve old frames. If the double screen persists, check project settings image scaling and the deliver page resolution. Mismatch scaling can mimic duplication. Also confirm your external monitor or dual viewer layout isn't set to split. Export a short test clip to confirm the fix. If problems continue, restart Resolve and reload the project. That often clears stubborn viewer or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.